Alright, so one of my buddies is obsessed with Tinder and unfortunately rarely gets any matches, so we decided to mess with him for a little bit. So naturally, like what any friend group would do, we catfish him. So I made a fake Tinder, found this absolute rocket on Twitter, swiped through, found him, matched with him, and now we have a study date with him at 8:30 tonight. On our way to our date! We're ready for our date.
Bobby, take a seat. Oh my god. Bro, what are you doing?
We have Chris Hansen here.
Take a seat.
Bobby, did you get a text from a Katie on Tinder?
No! You tell me who made it. Who made it?
Here's an audio message my mom sent me while I was at work. She was pretty mad.
Ashton, let me tell you something, and I mean this from the bottom of my heart. If you come into my room and wake me up one more damn time talking about some bullshit, I promise you I will get up and choke the shit out of you. And I'm not even fucking playing. You come in here talking about you lost your jeans. Do I have your jeans? Why the fuck would I have your jeans? Okay, then you talking about did I give Chris some jeans? Does Chris look like the type of motherfucker that would take some borrowed jeans? That would take some too little jeans? No. Okay, we don't got your fucking jeans. More than that, you 17 years old. You're in here talking about, well, I guess I'll have to find some other jeans. Well, I guess the fuck so. Okay? Keep up with your shit. Okay? I don't come in your room talking about, hey, do you see my bra? No. If I can't find my bra, then that is my bad. Okay? You can't find your jeans, that's your bad. You don't come up in here asking me, waking me up, talking about your fucking jeans. Why the fuck? How do I know where your jeans are? You're old enough to keep up with your own shit. Okay? Stop coming in here waking me up on some bullshit and then get mad when I'm not giving you the response that you want. I am sleeping. You see that I'm fucking sleeping. Leave me alone. Like, be responsible for your own shit.
It's so dark out here, man.
Where are you?
Oh, not an emo kid.
And
Oh,
I'm
no.
so sorry.
Oh, fuck.
I cannot.
There, 32 million back, 64 million years. Am I going bonkers, or would you be able to see dinosaurs?
Could you put a mirror 32 million light years away in space and then look into that mirror and see back at us, and instead of seeing the Earth as it is now, see the Earth as it was 64 million years ago and like take a picture of dinosaurs? Kinda! Like, there are practical reasons why this won't work. Like, you can't get the mirror there. It would have to already be there, which it's not. But this is literally how we see the beginning of the universe. Like, you hear scientists talk about like what happened in the beginning of the universe. That's because we can look into space and see what happened 13.7 billion years ago. It's not dinosaurs, it's the Big Bang. And the most screwed up thing, part of the reason we can do that is because there aren't mirrors out there, but there are lenses out there. Extremely massive objects like clusters of galaxies will bend light around them and allow you to see things that are behind them as if they are much closer up. These become little windows that allow us to see light that's been traveling toward us since just after the beginning of time.